Today we will learn about river vehicle, along with some interesting facts about them. It's a ferry boat. Ferry boats are watercraft used to transport passengers, vehicles, and goods across bodies of water, including rivers. They have been in use for centuries and vary in size from small, hand-paddled boats to large, motorized vessels capable of carrying numerous vehicles and hundreds of passengers. It's a riverboat. Riverboats, also known as paddle wheel boats or steamboats, were once a primary mode of transportation on rivers, particularly in the United States during the 19th century. They were powered by steam engines and used large paddle wheels to propel themselves through the water. It's a canoe. Canoes are lightweight, narrow watercraft typically propelled by paddles. They have been used by indigenous peoples around the world for thousands of years for transportation, fishing, and recreational purposes. Canoeing is now a popular recreational activity enjoyed by people worldwide. It's a kayak. Kayaks are similar to canoes but are generally smaller and propelled by a double-bladed paddle. They originated in the Arctic regions and were traditionally used by indigenous peoples for hunting and fishing. Today, kayaking is a popular sport and recreational activity, ranging from calm river paddling to adrenaline-pumping whitewater kayaking. It's a raft. Rafts are flat, buoyant structures typically made of logs or inflatable materials lashed together. They have been used for centuries by various cultures for transportation, fishing, and as a means of floating goods downstream. Rafting has also become a popular recreational activity, with enthusiasts navigating rivers and rapids for thrills and adventure. It's a gondola. Gondolas are traditional flat-bottomed boats native to the Venetian lagoon in Venice, Italy. They are propelled by a gondolier using a single oar, and their unique design allows them to navigate the narrow canals of Venice. Gondolas are primarily used for tourism and romantic rides along the city's waterways. It's a houseboat. Houseboats are floating homes equipped with living amenities, such as bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. They are commonly found on rivers, lakes, and canals in regions around the world, offering a unique lifestyle experience. Houseboat vacations are popular among travelers seeking a peaceful retreat on the water. It's a jet boat. Jet boats are powered watercraft that use a jet of water expelled from the back of the boat to propel themselves forward. They are known for their agility and ability to navigate shallow waters and rapids. Jet boating is a popular recreational activity, offering thrilling rides and scenic tours in rivers around the world. It's a pontoon boat. Pontoon boats are flat-bottomed watercraft supported by two or more buoyant pontoons. They are stable and spacious, making them popular for leisurely cruises, fishing trips, and parties on rivers and lakes. Pontoon boats often feature comfortable seating, shade canopies, and amenities for entertaining. It's a dugout canoe. Dugout canoes are watercraft crafted from a single tree trunk hollowed out by hand. They are among the oldest types of boats used by humans and have been found in archaeological sites dating back thousands of years. Dugout canoes are still used by indigenous peoples in various parts of the world for fishing and transportation. It's a rowboat. Rowboats are small, narrow watercraft propelled by oars. They are versatile and can be used for fishing, leisurely paddling, or transportation on rivers, lakes, and calm waters. Rowing is a popular recreational activity and competitive sport enjoyed by individuals and teams worldwide. It's a pirogue. Pirogues are narrow, flat-bottomed boats commonly used in the swamps and rivers of Louisiana and other parts of the southern United States. They are often crafted from cypress or other local woods and are used for fishing, hunting, and transportation in shallow waters. It's a coracle. Coracles are small, round watercraft traditionally made from woven materials such as willow or reeds, covered with a waterproofing substance like tar or animal hide. They are used in parts of India, Wales, and other regions for fishing and transportation on rivers and lakes.